Have you ever wondered how our immune system can sometimes turn against us? A question that pokes not only at our curiosity, but also at the profound complexity of our bodies. Let's take a moment to unbox this marvel of nature, the immune system. Imagine the immune system as a vast, intricate network of cells, tissues, and organs, all working together in a symphony of defense. Its primary role? To protect us, to guard our bodies against invaders such as bacteria, viruses, and parasites, and to ensure that we stay healthy. The backbone of this defense system lies in our white blood cells, the brave soldiers in this ongoing battle. They circulate in our bodies, always on the lookout for harmful substances and germs. When they find a target, they spring into action, attacking and neutralizing the threat. Now let's consider antibodies, the silent scouts of our immune system. They have a special knack for recognizing foreign substances known as antigens. Once an antigen is identified, antibodies mark it for destruction, alerting our white blood cells to the intruder. But the immune system is not all about offense. The complement system, a group of proteins found in the blood, works in tandem with antibodies and white blood cells, enhancing their capacity to clear microbes and damaged cells from the body, promoting inflammation and attacking the pathogen cell membrane. Apart from these, the immune system also includes the lymphatic system, the spleen, the thymus, and bone marrow. The lymphatic system transports white blood cells throughout the body. The spleen acts as a filter for blood, removing old or damaged red blood cells. The thymus is where T cells mature, a type of white blood cell that protects against viruses and cancer cells. And lastly, bone marrow, the birthplace of all new blood cells, including our white blood cells. So you see, the immune system is like a well-orchestrated symphony, each component playing a crucial role in maintaining our health. A well-functioning immune system is crucial for our survival, but what happens when this protector turns into a perpetrator? Sometimes our immune system gets confused and attacks our own body. This is what we call an autoimmune disease. Picture it like a case of mistaken identity, where the body's defense system misinterprets its own cells as foreign invaders and launches an attack. Strange as it may sound, this is the reality of autoimmune conditions. Just as there are countless different types of cells in our body, there are over 80 different types of autoimmune diseases. Each one is unique, but they all share this fundamental misstep: the immune system going rogue and targeting the very organism it's meant to protect. Now you might ask, why would the immune system do this? It's a good question with a complex answer. The exact reason is still a mystery to scientists, but there are several factors at play. Genetic predisposition, environmental triggers, and even certain infections can be the catalyst. Imagine the immune system as an overly zealous security guard. It's always on high alert, ready to protect the body from harmful intruders. But sometimes, under certain conditions, it can misinterpret a harmless cell as a threat, and once that happens, it doesn't hold back. Autoimmune diseases can affect any part of the body, from the skin to the joints to the organs. They can manifest in a myriad of ways, making them difficult to diagnose. Symptoms can range from mild to severe, and can sometimes even be life-threatening. Despite the challenges, research is continually advancing, with scientists striving to understand the mechanisms behind these diseases and find effective treatments. It's a field that's constantly evolving, offering hope to those affected by these conditions. Now that we understand autoimmune diseases in general, let's delve into two specific ones: Myasthenia Gravis and Rheumatoid Arthritis. These two conditions are prime examples of how the immune system can turn against the body, and understanding them can give us valuable insights into the world of autoimmune diseases. Can you imagine your muscles weakening to the point where they can't contract? This is the reality for people with myasthenia gravis. Myasthenia gravis is a chronic autoimmune neuromuscular disease, quite a mouthful, isn't it? But let's break it down. Chronic means it's ongoing. Autoimmune signifies the body's immune system is attacking its own cells. Neuromuscular points to the nerves that communicate with the muscles, and disease refers to a condition that impairs normal functioning. So what happens in myasthenia gravis? Your immune system, which should normally protect you against diseases, mistakenly targets the communication between your nerves and muscles. It does this by producing antibodies that block or destroy muscle receptor sites, leading to weakening and fatigue of skeletal muscles. The symptoms? They vary greatly among individuals, but typically start with muscle weakness in the eyes, face, and throat, leading to difficulties in speaking, swallowing, and even breathing. This weakness can extend to the neck and limbs, making daily tasks a challenge. Now, you might be wondering, what triggers this bizarre turn of events? Truth is, we don't fully understand why the immune system goes rogue. Genetics and environmental factors are likely culprits, but there's still a lot to uncover. The good news is myasthenia gravis, though currently incurable, is treatable. Treatments focus on managing symptoms and slowing the progression of the disease. Medications can help improve nerve-to-muscle communication and suppress the immune response. For severe cases, surgery or plasma exchange may be options. Remember, myasthenia gravis doesn't define those who have it. They are people with dreams, aspirations, and lives to live. With continued research and advancements in treatment, we hope to one day say goodbye to this disease for good. Myasthenia gravis is just one example of how the immune system can turn against us. Next, we'll explore another, rheumatoid arthritis. Imagine your joints swelling and becoming painful for no apparent reason. Welcome to the world of rheumatoid arthritis. When we talk about rheumatoid arthritis, or RA, we're referring to a long-term autoimmune disorder that primarily affects the joints. It typically results in warm, swollen, and painful joints, often starting with the small joints, such as those in the hands and feet. Over time, this inflammation can lead to bone erosion and joint deformity, causing severe discomfort and limiting mobility. What causes rheumatoid arthritis, you may wonder? Well, it's essentially your immune system going rogue. In a healthy body, the immune system defends against foreign invaders like bacteria and viruses. But in RA, the immune system mistakenly attacks the body's own tissues, specifically the synovium, the thin membrane that lines your joints. This attack triggers a series of events leading to inflammation and thickening of the synovium, which can eventually destroy the cartilage and bone within the joint. This is what causes the characteristic pain and swelling of RA. Now, while there's no known cure for RA, it doesn't mean you're completely powerless. Treatment focuses on managing symptoms and improving quality of life through medication, physical therapy, and in some cases, surgery. Medications can range from pain relievers and anti-inflammatory drugs to slow-acting drugs, also known as disease-modifying anti-rheumatic drugs. These help slow the progression of the disease and save the joints and other tissues from permanent damage. Physical therapy can help maintain joint flexibility, while surgical procedures might become necessary to repair damaged joints or replace them entirely. Living with the rheumatoid arthritis can be challenging, but with the right treatment and support, many people with RA can lead full and active lives. It's all about understanding the condition, seeking early diagnosis and treatment, and managing it proactively. Both myasthenia gravis and rheumatoid arthritis are examples of our immune system mistakenly attacking our own cells, but remember, knowledge is power. Understanding these diseases is the first step towards finding better treatments and ultimately cures. As we delve deeper into the complexities of the human immune system, we begin to unravel the multifaceted nature of autoimmune diseases like myasthenia gravis and rheumatoid arthritis. These conditions, while seemingly distinct, share a common thread. They are all instances where our body's defense system mistakenly wages war on its own tissues. The battlefields may vary, the neuromuscular junction in myasthenia gravis, the joints in rheumatoid arthritis. But the overarching theme remains the same. The immune system, in a misguided attempt to protect, ends up causing harm. But why does this happen? What triggers this autoaggression? The answers to these questions are still shrouded in mystery, a testament to the intricate and sophisticated nature of our immune system. However, every piece of knowledge we glean brings us a step closer to the ultimate goal, transforming these diseases from life-altering conditions into manageable and perhaps even curable ailments. The importance of continued research and understanding cannot be overstated. Each discovery, each breakthrough illuminates a part of the puzzle, bringing us closer to a comprehensive understanding of these complex diseases. And with understanding comes the power to intervene, to develop more effective treatments, and ultimately to find a cure. Awareness and early detection are equally crucial. The earlier these conditions are identified, the better the prognosis. It's about giving people the tools and the knowledge to recognize the signs and seek help promptly. This is a journey of discovery, of understanding, of hope. And it's a journey we are all a part of. Whether you're a medical student, a researcher, a healthcare professional, or simply someone with a keen interest in the workings of the human body, your contribution matters. So join us as we continue to explore the fascinating world of the immune system and autoimmune diseases. There's so much more to discover, so much more to understand, and you can be a part of it. Subscribe for more because you won't find me later. Let's continue this journey together.